Hey everyone, welcome back. To do in between frame, you have to draw the character in the middle from the previous frame and the frame after. I'm gonna use the year as an example. If you are a beginner or you are having problems doing in-betweens, this is a tip you can use. The first thing you have to do is turn on the onion skin down below on the left. This is gonna help you a lot. Then you choose the points, the most important points. In this case, we need 3 points of the years because it's pretty much a triangle. And you're gonna do that for the frame before and the frame after. And now you're gonna connect the dots. The only thing you have to do now is find it in the middle of the line. That's it, you found your final points. You just have to connect them. You have yourself an ear now. You erase the rest of the lines that you don't need. And how easy was that? One of the many great things of belonging to our groups on Facebook, for instance, is learning tips from other people. And I learned a few tips about the bucket option of RoughAnimator, thanks to David Griboyle. I'm sorry, I don't know to say your name. It's a great tool to have because it has saved me a lot of time. So to start us, the first thing you have to do is the outline of your drawing has to be closed for this to work or the paint will come out. So if you go to the bucket options, you have to choose fill behind, tolerance to fill expand 4 pixels, and now you don't have to paint by hand, except if you're like me and sometimes you like to do it. If you don't know how to use the cycle option on RoughAnimator, here is how. Right now, it's only one frame in green. I have to go on the right to change the cycle options. And where it says repeat previous, I have to put 3. And now, as you see, all my frames that I drew are green. And you also see that the cycle is a sequence of 3. And you can see also the animation is repeating until the end. You can also extend this cycle as much as you want. You just have to pull the little green arrow at the end as much or a little as you want. This is it for this episode, guys. I hope you had fun. Please subscribe so you won't lose any videos that I post, and give this video a big like because it does support me and my channel. Bye!